Hi, good morning, students. Hope you all are keeping fine. Stay home and stay safe. Today, we are going to continue our second lesson, Adobe Pagemaker 7.0. In the last class, we discussed about the different areas of Adobe Pagemaker application. Today, we are going to continue with the scroll bars. What is the use of a scroll bar? We all know that. In all the applications, we have a scroll bar, a set of scroll bars, a vertical scroll bar and a horizontal scroll bar. So these scroll bars are used to move the page left to right, right to left, or bottom to top, or top to bottom. So this is the use of a scroll bar. Scroll bar can be used for moving the document or viewing the document when it is zoomed out. When it is in a large, it cannot be seen or some part of the page cannot be displayed. So in such case, we can use the help of the scroll bar in order to move. You can use the scroll of your mouse if it is too much. If the page is too big, you can use the help of your mouse pointer also. This scroll bars can be displayed in view menu. In view menu, you can see hide scroll bar. Since our scroll bars are displayed here, we can see hide scroll bar. When you click on the hide scroll bar, the scroll bars disappears. If we don't want the scrolls or the scroll bar, you can just hide the scroll bar. Else, you can just click view and click show scroll bars. So now the scroll bars appears. So this may be asking two more questions: how to show toolbar or how to hide toolbar, or it can be asked in one word questions also. Students, today's first question is how to show a scroll bar. Second question is how to hide a scroll bar. Let us discuss how to enter a text in a page maker. How to enter text. So in order to enter the text in the toolbox, just click the text tool. Click the text tool and click and drag it. Just click it. So now you can see a cursor, a insertion point blinking there. So you can start typing from there. Hi, good morning, students. Okay, so now your text will be inserted. So wherever you click the text, there you can insert the text. Hi, hi. Okay, so wherever you click the mouse pointer, a insertion pointer will be shown or displayed there. You can see it is still blinking. So that says where the text will appear. Okay, so now you might have understood how to enter a text. In order to enter a text, you can click on the text tool and place it in the page and type the text. After entering the text, if we have to make any sort of correction or inserting any text or deletion of any text, you can use the editing options. So first let us see how to select a particular text. So in order to select a single word, just double click it. Just double click. So a single word will be selected. Suppose the entire line you have to select, just triple click. 3 times you have to click the mouse button. 2 times a single word will be selected, and if you click it 3 times the whole sentence will be selected. So after selecting a particular word or a particular line or a sentence, you can make some corrections. If you want to make any corrections, you can go to character type character. In that you can make changes like the font size, font color, and click OK. So you can see that where I have made the editing work. So only that the students have changed. Already it was in 12 font size, now it is 30, and the color was black, now it is blue. You can see it. So this is how you can make the changes in Pagemaker. So in order to select, you can use either the mouse pointer or the keyboard. If you're using the mouse pointer, just click it and drag. Just click and drag so that the whole sentence or the whole line or text will be selected. Whichever, whatever you want, you can select it. So if you want to select the whole text, you can select the whole text. If you want to select only a particular word or particular letter, that can be done. So after that you can make some changes there. Okay, so this is how you have to select using mouse. Suppose if you are using the uh, keyboard, place the insertion point near the word or the sentence or the letter where you have to select, and press the shift key and just press the arrow keys. Just press the arrow keys. If you want to remove the highlighting also, you can use the same. Okay, left or right arrow buttons can be used for selecting the text. Your third question is how to select a text using mouse. Fourth question is how to select a text using keyboard. Your next question is what is the use of insertion point? How to delete the text, or how to delete a particular word. So in order to delete a particular text, you have three options. If a single alphabet is to be deleted, just click the insertion point and press the backspace key. So that particular letter will be deleted. Same, you can use the delete key. So you know the difference between a backspace key and a delete key. backspace key always deletes the character to the right of the insertion point, and delete key always deletes the character to the left of the insertion point. So we'll make a undo here. So the text what I have deleted is here. The other option is, if you want to delete a block of text means a particular paragraph or a particular sentence, you can just go to edit and click clear. Edit, clear. So you can delete a particular text block. If you want to delete a particular word or a particular alphabet, you can use either the backspace or delete key. If you want to delete an entire block of text, you can use clear, edit clear option. The next question is, what are the options for deleting the text? Explain the options for deleting the text. I have told you about the undo option also. Suppose if you delete a particular text or a word, if you want to reverse the action, just go to edit and click undo. Edit, undo. So the action what you have done just before will be repeated or reversed. If you delete a particular word or a text or a line and you want back that particular text or line, you can click edit, undo, or you can use a shortcut control plus Z from the keyboard. Your next question is, what is the use of undo option and what is the shortcut for it? The next topic what we are going to see is cut and copy. So all these options are very familiar to you. How to cut? So in order to cut or move a particular text, first we have to select the text and click edit, cut, or the shortcut is control plus X, and place the insertion point where the text is to be placed. Edit, paste. Click edit, paste. So you can click anywhere else in the page and you can click edit, paste, or control plus V. You will be getting the text what you have cut from one place. You can move it or place it in any another place of the page. This is the use of copy and paste, cut and paste. So cut and paste means the entire sentence or the text what you have selected will be moved from that location and can be placed anywhere else in the page. What is the use of copy then? So when you copy, the same option you have to do. You have to first select the text and go to edit, copy, and place the insertion point and edit, paste. So what is the difference you see is that when we cut a text, that particular text is not there and it can be placed somewhere else in the document. But when you copy, that particular text is there in the same location, as well as you can paste it in different locations. Okay, so wherever you want it in the document, you can place it there, but the original page or original text will be there in the same location. So the shortcut is very important. It may be asked in one words: control plus C copy, control plus X cut, and control plus V paste. Your next question is how to move a text in a document. Your next question is how to copy and paste a text in the document.